The IT world remains in a state of constant flux. Now, as an IT professional, it is almost like a survival tactic to keep yourself updated with the ever evolving technologies as well as the market trends. Hence, we Droid7 Technolabs bring to you the top technologies for 2020 and 21. Kindly take up this time to subscribe to us and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from the Droid7 Technolabs YouTube channel. So that much to do. Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth from Droid7 Technolabs. In this tutorial, I'm going to go over what is Magento. I'm going to give you a quick overview of Magento and I'm going to show you how Magento actually works and what it does. So let's get started. So what is Magento? If you were to Google that question, you are generally gonna find the answers such as Magento is an e-commerce platform or solution that lets you build your own online store. It is an open source technology that allows customization of functionality on a large scale. It has powerful and flexible features in catalog management, content management, search engine optimization, and functionality any retailer would come to expect. Wow, that sounds amazing. But what does any of that actually means? So, Magento is e-commerce solution and its single purpose in life is to sell goods and services online. The software is very professional. It's actually used by very large companies. For example, Nike uses it, Coca-Cola, Canon, Jack Daniels, Jaguar and NCG, Land Rover, Ford, Marie Claire and so many others. We are excited to announce that the acquisition of Magento is complete and Magento Commerce is now an Adobe company. So Magento is owned by Adobe now. Magento customers can expect to see exciting new features and opportunities areas become available in the future. Certainly, any closer integration with Adobe Experience Cloud would be a positive step in terms of more closely combining content and commerce platforms. Okay, so you can download the Magento open source free version. It comes with no support and it is 100% free to use. And if you decide to use the software, all you really need is a hosting account and you need to have it installed and figure out how to use it. And it's ready to use. You don't have to pay any commission or anything like that for using the software. You can download the free version from here. Okay. So if you want to learn more about community edition software or how to use the Magento store, you can subscribe to our channel and keep getting the updates. Droid7 Technolabs also provides training courses for the top technologies that are currently taking over the market. You can also join our training course for Magento, where you can learn all about the Magento under our experienced software developers. Okay, so coming back to the topic, Magento also provides hosted solution. It's similar to the free version. The only difference is that Magento actually hosts the store for you. Now I am actually going to show you what Magento looks like and what you can expect from it. When you will first install Magento store, you will have an empty store because there will be nothing in it and you will need to list items. The home page, you also need to customize it. The store right here, I customized it. I added products to the store and I fixed up the home page. Again, You can learn all these things in the training course or upcoming Magento videos. As you can see, you have the categories and the categories can have subcategories. And when you click on them, you will see the category page. And these category pages are very high tech. You can even choose the view position. For example, you can choose between grid and list. There are even sort options. You can choose the listing, how many listings can be shown on each page. There is even a way to track recently viewed products. There are community polls that you can add, newsletters, popular tags, and so much more. Magento is an open source, so if you have ever come to a point where Magento doesn't meet your needs, maybe you have come at point or limit where it doesn't do something that you really need it to do, then you or developer can change and adapt the software to your needs. It's got scalable functionality, so whether you are getting tens of visits a day or you are selling tens of products, so you only have a handful of products, or perhaps you are an enterprise, so you have hundreds of thousands of products and visitors, it is completely scalable. It will meet all your needs. You need not worry about changing the software, shifting your products, this and that in a year's time, because it is not doing what you want to do. The next is, it's got flexible features like catalog management, organize your products into categories, structure your categories, control search results, manage stock controls. You can also edit the contents on the site, and so everything like editing, adding, removing text, images, layouts, landing pages, design and themes, CMS pages, blogs, widgets, and categories. You can work on everything around. It also provides marketing support like promotions, email marketing, SEO, Google API. As we all know that search engine look out for certain key markers in pages. So whether that be metadata, microdata, alt text, keywords, IT supports, all of the things that you need in order to tick those boxes. You can easily change the selected functions that allow you to keep search engines happy. It also supports sitemaps. So, is Magento popular? Yes, you will find Magento at number 7. It is popular, but it is more geared towards the developer than regular users. What with its steep learning curve. Its enterprise edition can be quite costly, but that's to be expected due to their target market. At number you will find here Woocommerce because it is easy to understand, cheap to set up, and makes it perfect for small operations. It's easy to pick up if you have any experience with WordPress. However, Magento is still a fantastic e-commerce solution. For a start, it shines when it comes to scalability, which makes it the ideal choice for existing companies that wants to move into e-commerce. If you can swallow the high price tag of its enterprise edition, you will be more happy than happy with the results. Don't believe us? You can check what their customers have to say after using it. So, is Magento right for you? Okay, so who should go for Magento? I'm going to read some of the points. If that suits you, then it is definitely good for you. If you are not tech savvy but giving your time to learn something interesting, is okay with you. If you are looking for the perfect e-commerce store, good product management is likely on your list of priorities. If you need software that can scale with your business needs without worrying about the need to change software in the future. If you are expecting at some point a lot of traffic might occur at your site, so you need a software that is stable. If you might want a software that can communicate with other software packages such as shipping companies, payment companies, and many more. If security and PCI compliances is important to you and your customers. If you don't want to purchase extensions for product reviews, grouped items, wish list, advanced pricing rules, and product personalization. If any of the above points ring true with you, then yes, Magento is right for you. So with the introduction out of the way, let's have a quick tour of Frontend and Backend. Now when I say Frontend and Backend, so Frontend is what your customer sees when they visit your website, and Backend or admin is what you see when you log into your website, which gives you overview of your operations. Let's find out what is all that. So this is our demo store that's been set up for Magento. You will generally tend to find that pages within Magento are broken down in 3 sections. So you have got your header at the top here. This generally will contain links, a welcome message, company logo, links to your account and cart, search functionality, and links to other parts of the website, whether that can be a landing page or category pages. And then we have the footer. Here you will find general things like about us, contact us, external links, widgets such as newsletter subscription, and anything in between is content for your pages. So on this home page, you have got one big banner image at the top, which will take you to the shop once you click it. Around 6 call to action buttons and a list of trending products. But let's go into a category. So I'm gonna go into tops under women section, and here you will see that again we have the header, the footer, and the content in between. But the difference is here that we have a 2-column setup. So the first column is where you will break down your product by filtering category, climate, color, collection, and at the second column we have got the products. These are our list of products that we have chosen to be in this category. So if we go into a product within the category, here you can see the name and the price of this, as well as it is in stock or not. And then here we can filter what color we want the product, the quantity and the size, and then you can add it to cart. And then you have got other bits that you would expect in an e-commerce store, like wish list, compare. So then we have the related products. So for clothing, it's appropriate to have shorts, more Ds in this case. So customers can choose to add this to cart as well. and underneath we can filter through any additional images we have of the products. And then below that we have got a reiteration of what the description is, a list of attributes that we have set for this product, and a list of feedbacks or reviews. So if I want to order this, I would simply add this to cart and then go through the checkout and make the payments. This is where the backend comes into it. So if we switch to backend, when you log in, this is what you will see. Admin section. You will see here an overview of your sales statistic, and you can also check your sales orders. Now we have some of the orders here in the list that we have come through, with billing name, shipping name, address, whether it's ready for picking, whether waiting for payment or whatnot. And anytime you receive an order, whether it is cancelled, completed, it is pending, anything from several years back, you can go through your list of sales orders in here. So then we can look at managing our products. So here we have got so many products. One is Olivia jacket. So let's click on this. So this is available here. We can assign prices, quantity, stock status. We can have multiple images here, meta information as I mentioned before, and it supports SEO. But the beauty is that we can add attributes to the products. So where we have clothing for women, which has attributes like style, material, pattern, climate. So we can treat products types differently, so we don't end up with generic attributes that don't apply the product. Moving towards the category section, we can also manage our category from our backend. So here we have women, tops, bottoms. So this is where we can add and remove it. So we got parent category and then child categories. So that would be what's new, women, men, for examples. And then within the category, we can choose what product should appear in them. And then, as you can expect, you can manage your customer promotions, newsletters, edit pages menu, blogs, and everything. And then we got sales reporting and various other reportings where you can manage things. And so many ways to configure how your site looks as well. So generally it's quite simple system to use until you start wanting to add more functionality to it. I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm just saying that there is a little bit of a steep learning curve there. You can learn everything about Magento in our training course with the help of experienced developers. You can also work, experiment, and find the different solutions and stay ahead of your competitors through a variety of courses which are provided at Droid7 Technolabs, and stay ahead of your game in 2020 and 21. If you have any suggestions on what you would like to hear more about, kindly leave them in the comment section below. We will be glad to hear suggestions from you. With that, I close the session. Subscribe us and keep yourself updated with the latest technology that is in market and the courses we are offering. Thank you and have a great day.